Well, things are starting to happen. We've got a week and a half until the Cock 69 is traded in. I have 1 week until my wall connector is installed. This has been traded in Manchester, so I'm going to have a road trip, Edinburgh to Manchester to the Tesla hub, where I'm going to pick it up. The Tesla all-wheel drive is ready. I have a VIN number, I have a reg plate, I just have to tick down the clock and I'm going to pick it up. It's taken ages to get to this point. January I ordered it. It is now mid-May. It will be nearly June when I pick it up. I have had delays, finance problems, ordering problems, more delays, abuse online. I've been called a Nazi and I've been called other names, and the car, which I quite like, is called a swastika, which I think is quite funny. I'm very much looking forward to getting it now. We will see. Still got a week and a half to go. My experience is, don't drive your Tesla until you have it. Let's unbox it. Tesla wall connector. Spin round. Beautiful. It is going to go there and plug into not the Cock 69. In a week and a half, I'll be driving from Edinburgh to Manchester and back for a little road trip to pick up the car. Once I've traded in the Cock 69, I'll collect the Tesla and I'll drive it home on my first ever road trip. That's my cat, in the Tesla. It's going to be very exciting. Join me for part 2 next week, where I have a video on the wall connector being installed, and then part 3, collecting my Tesla Model Y.